After downloading IBO Player on your preferred device, it could be a smart TV, TV box, laptop, or even your phone. Once installed, launch the app. You'll immediately see your MAC address and device key on the screen. Save them somewhere. This is exactly how our official app looks on Android devices and smart TVs. Make sure you're using the correct version. If it doesn't look like this, it's a fake. Avoid any other apps trying to copy our design. Always download from trusted sources or the links we provide. Now open your browser and search for IBO Player, or go directly to iboplayer.com. Once you're there, head to Manage Playlist. Then, simply log in using the MAC address and device key you saved earlier. After logging in, click on Add Playlist, give it any name you want, then paste your M3U link. You can also add a PIN code for extra protection. Once done, restart the IBO Player app and start streaming.